Halo, Assalamualaikum. Kali ini saya akan mempresentasikan tugas Lab English for Public Relation. Ini nama saya Indra Kurniawan, kelas 414B37, NIM 41190123, Prodi Humas Malam Public Relation. Oke, baik, akan kita mulai. Good night everyone, welcome back again at my YouTube channel. I am Indra Kurniawan from Bina Sarina Informatika University. Thanks you for joining me in the session today. Before I start, I will present about meeting X study from Lab English class, my campus. Part 1, fill the blank of the story tale. Some people say that rats are ugly creatures when they see rats running. Long they go, what I don't know about you, but if I was thought this were rather rad. Rats can have hurt feeling too. In any case, when I catching of my reflection in a stream, I think I'm a rather cat. Well, just recently I was trotting along with King Higway in my sweet little way when I heard I quit communication on the road of I hit wall or dead causing all that fast. I wondered when I got closer. When I got closer, I saw the king himself riding alone on top of the great fat lamb of elephant. The crowd of onlookers were eyeing and eyeing full of administration for that stupid beast with a nose that for too big for her face. She much angler than me. I stood, so I started to spring up and down and say, "Hi everyone, why not look at me? I'm such a cute vehicle. Join the king household and be a royal rat. If there was any justice in the world, at first nobody noticed me. They we are too busy unlike that stupid elephant. And little did I know, but riding behind the elephant, and I cried, was the princess, and she was holding a beastly cat in her arm when we caught sick at me. The cat leaped out at the carrot and started chasing me. I had to run for my life and forfeit down I hauled just in time before the cat called at me up. And so now I stand my mind to wanting people to notice me and admire me. I have descended that sometime it far better not to draw attention to yourself, just to get and quickly with your business. And that was a fable of the rat and the elephant. Part 2. Retell the story through the audio and sing your own word. Cinderella owns their life. A sweet-tempered girl was named Cinderella. Unfortunately, her mother died young, and her father married again. His second wife had a sharp temper and her to danger was just like her in a word horrid. The horrid sister loved to buzz Cinderella. The priest said, Cinder, it's your job to clean the fireflies. That's why you can't Cinder get it. And before she had finished sweeping the grate, the second sister and set Cinder down the light up the fire and make me. I hot vat with sweet smelling candles, and now she was hiding the bed. The horrid mother said, Cinder, why happen you going to the market yet all day long? Cinderella, sweet and scrubbed and panted and carried. In winter, the young lady were invited to royal ball for our Monday thread on inevitable gown, furry coats, and strap shoes. It was Cinderella, of course, who helped them in and out of their rich custom, and wore fresh and folded everything. Here, one clothes were participle rags. The big night came, and for Cinderella was left at home sitting alone by the fireplace. A mouse came up to her and said, Dear, dear, I good fairy in on sight. And she said that you shall go to the ball. Cinderella ran out to the courtyard where the good fairy told the young girl, We saw to leave the ball before the clock struck midnight, or you will be more embarrassed than you've ever been. In your lap a golden cosmet to her to place on the way she sent into beautiful gown. When she entered the ballroom, all eyes were upon her, including those of her sister, who did not recognize her. The prince asked the new arrival to dance, not once but again and again before the evening was how had fallen in love with the mysterious young beauty he was about to ask her hand in marriage when the clock began to strike the 12. Oh, you must excuse me, exclaimed Cinderella, and she ran to the door as she dashed on the step. One of her dancing slippers fell from her foot, and she had to hop to the convent. In the morning, the prince found the lost slipper and ordered his servant to take it down the lane until they discovered the foot. They instantly fainted, and when the prince's servant came to house where Cinderella horsing sister were to try the slipper. It is the my people said the priest, but the skull soft her held inside. You can't kill me, your royal high, because my feet better, said the second. But it was clear that her foot even least a bell to slip into the slaver. The royal servant looked up and saw Cinderella sitting by Philip's place that she had been cleaning. That was with shot on her nose, and the maid irreplaceable and more charming. He said, "Well, you care to tie the psalmist, don't bother with her. She has just a man," said the torrid sister mother. "I would like to try things you said as Cinderella." Her thoughts lived in perplexly. Would have a thought it our quest should complete, declared the royal servant. "What?" exclaimed the mother. "You have got to be kidding. You idiot, you forgot the warm girl," protested the horrid sister. But the servant was already calling for the coachman to take Cinderella to the place. The rest in her rags, exactly as she was, and wearing her normal. So, and on foot and her dancing slipper on the order as Cinderella left the house. The mother of the horrid girl cried out, "God, redance, we hope not of your check." But Cinderella knew that she had found true love, and the very next day she and the prince were wed, and the veil rolling out all over the land. And that was the story of Cinderella as a result by Emma. Baik, terima kasih.